Okay, we need to make more room for Mommy. Let's get rid of you. Did you go down? Yeah, look. You got your own circus. Yeah.
The bounces are bad.
Yeah.
That's funny.
That's a good thing then, I guess.
It bounces her, so she's wonder. Oh my God.
Spazzing.
She's gonna make herself.
What's up?
She's gonna make herself drunk off there. I like her.
What are you doing, Spaz?
She's whispering now. I'm not telling you. Come on.
How you having fun, baby girl?
Oh, my balls everywhere.
That's all right. We'll put it in the other room, and it can just live in there.
There she goes. Oh.